iOS 26 Lock Screen Customization. What's new and how to use it? Apple's latest iOS 26 update delivers notable improvements to iPhone lock screen customization, building upon features introduced in previous versions. While the changes might seem minor to some, they significantly enhance personalization and usability. The update allows for larger clock displays, repositioned widgets, spatial wallpaper effects, and control color adjustments. This article breaks down each feature and explains how to enable them. Larger clock sizes for improved visibility. One of the most noticeable changes in iOS 26 is the ability to expand the clock size on your lock screen. This feature addresses a practical need, making time more readable at a glance, even without glasses. Why it matters. The larger clock option is especially useful for users who frequently check the time while their phone is on a surface, eliminating the need to pick it up. To enlarge the clock, open Settings, select Wallpaper. Tap Customize under the desired lock screen. Drag the tab in the bottom right corner of the clock outline downwards to adjust the size. Choose between glass or solid designs and adjust color thickness. Currently, only the far left clock font can be expanded. Future updates may include additional font options. Repositioning lock screen widgets. iOS 26 provides more flexibility in widget placement. You can now move the widget dock near the bottom of the screen, just above the controls. Why it matters. This adjustment allows for a cleaner, more organized lock screen layout. To reposition widgets, navigate to Settings and GT, Wallpaper. Tap Customize under the target lock screen. Drag the widget dock to the bottom of the screen. If you've expanded the clock size, the widget dock will automatically position itself at the bottom, with no other placement options. Spatial effects for dynamic wallpapers. The update introduces spatial scenes, giving wallpapers a 3D depth effect. When enabled, elements in your chosen wallpaper appear to pop out, moving as you tilt your iPhone. Why it matters. This adds a subtle but engaging visual element to the lock screen, making it more dynamic. To activate spatial effects, go to Settings and GT, Wallpaper. Tap Customize for the lock screen you want to modify. Tap the hexagon icon near the bottom right corner of the screen. Spatial scenes work exclusively with personal photos. Apple's pre-installed wallpapers, weather, emoji collections are not compatible. Custom control colors for personalization. iOS 26 allows for color customization of the controls at the bottom of the lock screen. This provides a small but effective way to add a personal touch. Why it matters. This feature adds another layer of customization, allowing users to match their lock screen to their overall iPhone aesthetic. The change is enabled automatically in iOS 26. Simply apply a colorful control or create a custom one to introduce color. Ongoing customization and future improvements. Apple continues to expand lock screen customization options with each iOS update. While current features offer substantial improvements, areas such as widget placement flexibility could be further refined. Expect future updates to bring even more granular control over the lock screen experience. Apple's gradual loosening of control over the iPhone lock screen reflects a broader trend toward greater user personalization. The features introduced in iOS 26, while incremental, contribute to a more tailored and engaging mobile experience.